Chahi mangagi angang phurubagi wathok Commission Catholic School ki principal amadi oja ama kokhatkhre. Catholic School Kansipur da mahi tamliba chahi mangagi angang amabu mawong tadana phu chaibagi thokdok amaga mari leinana Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na sumoto case ama laukhatkibaga loinana School asigi principal amasung oja nupi ama commission asigi office da laknaba ngahan saman thaduna khangankhre. Commission asigi member secretary Robert Singha Khetrimayum IAS na khuyek piduna Saman Sirol amamam Catholic School ki principal Kholi Emmanuel amasung school asigi oja N Surbala Devi Kobi amada thakibane. Saman Sirol aduda school asida tamba pigliba mahiroi amabu phukiba thokdoki matangda commission asina CPCR Act 2005 ki section 1314 ki makhada sumoto case ama lakhatuna thiganabagi makhoi masa masa commission asida lakpa darkar oi haina khangalle maram asina school asigi principal amasung oja N Surbala tha asigi mapan gi nungthil pung ama tabada sungsoi soidana Directorate of Social Welfare Building ki ahum suba floor da laiba commission ki office da laktuna thokdok asigi matang da isa gi warol commission ki mamang da thamna ba khangalle karigumba haiba numit asida maram pidana laktava taravade CPCR Act 2005 ki section 14 ki makhada commission da lariba civil court ki power makhada warrant issue tawgani haina su khangalle ningsingba yabade Kansipur da laiba Catholic School da masagi sahi manga khakta ngai riba pre primary mahiroi amabu Wazana mawong tadana phubagi video ama viral oirakpadagi commission asina thawong ase angang singi rights mental physical well-being amasung dignity violate tawbani haina phongdokpaga loinana masigi matangda thigatnaba sumoto case ama laukhalagani haina commission asigi chairperson na September 13 ta order ama thoktuna khanganba laikhrabane